Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the servers of Cookie Build, which is that, and the server is bb5.cookie-build.com, and the port is 19132. Let's enter and play the game of Build Battle. I have my password, but I can change. So I logged on, and here is our server. If you want to go in a specific server, like a specific game, you can come here. So there's 0 people there, and there's 1 there, and 3 there. But if you just wanted to go teleport to a random game, you just go here and there. And on the hotbar, which is this one, starting soon, when it goes up to 8, we can start playing now. They all have the same skin as me because of the skin glitch. They've gotta change it. If you guys want, you guys can like skip some of the video parts because this is probably gonna take a long time. So it started, and now I have to draw minions. Now I'm gonna start recording when I'm almost finished. So bye for a second. I forgot to tell you guys something, but I really suck at building. Like, this minion looks really mutated, even if it isn't. So I'm gonna try rebuilding. So I'll be back. So I forgot to record back, but yeah, this is a time where we vote. Yes, this is okay. At least they tried. Whoa, that's so good. What? I'll go epic on this one. This one is good too. Just go good on this one. Where's the body? I want the body. The body makes it cute. Oh yeah, this is fine. This sucks. Oh my gosh, this person says epic. What? No. What? Oh, this is unfinished. Let's just do bad. It's not super bad. This is good actually. I just do bad because everyone else's is good. What in the world were they up to? I mean, this isn't based on minions, so that is so good. Just gonna do good on this one. Oh, this is cute. Whoa, what? I'm just gonna do okay on this one. It doesn't really look like a minion, but still good. Yeah, this one was really good. At least I had 1 point. Whoa, wait, 28 points? Oh no. Well, I guess that's all. But if you want me to play more of these games, click the subscribe button and the like button. If you want, you can share. So, I hope you have a good day. Bye!